When did you realize na hindi ka na part ng young crowd?
Ay!
What? I am still part of the young crowd.
I love
believe.
that mindset. Kasi why
Nakita ko
not?
party pa to sa
Yes.
Siargao eh.
Talaga ba?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Pero feeling ko kasi kapag kasama mo mga young ones, you'll feel young din eh.
Wait lang, baka
It's
naman
all
kasi
of-
may
it's-
division
it's
talaga ang
all
early 30s
in
sa
the
late
state of
30s.
mind.
Batchmate ko to eh. Oh,
It's a
diba?
state of mind, really.
Correct.
And
Pero-
I'm like a raver at heart. So I don't care how old I'll be, I'll still be a raver.
Your 30s, the decade where life gets real. Some days you feel like you've got everything figured out. Other days you're questioning your career, relationships, and what you're actually doing with your life. Welcome to Trentitas, your hangout for navigating life in your 30s. A space for real conversations, diverse stories, and honest perspectives about the things we're all trying to figure out. Because the truth is, nobody really has it all figured out. And that's okay. So sit back, join the conversation, and let's make sense of this decade together. This is Trentitas. Real talk, good vibes, and life in your 30s.
So yun yung bonding yung mag-asawa.
Yes.
Yun yung...
Wait, but in fairness, the ravers now are getting a little older.
Anong
We
raver?
went to a
Anong
rave
raver?
in
As in, like,
a music
explain.
festival
Oh, yes.
in Siargao, and the crowd looked a little mature.
May rave pala sa... Or baka naman kasi forever bagets lang yung face mo.
Oo nga.
And they all look
Siguro,
like
kasi
more
puro
mature.
foreigners. I'm like, "Whoop." Kulang ng Botox
Gets. Teka lang, may rave sa Siargao?
Yes, it was a music festival up in the north called Bandidos Electric Festival. That's nice. Very nice.
And then, I've seen in your socials, you also travel to rave, no?
Yes.
Mga
So we went to
talaga?
Tomorrowland
Saan yun?
2
Saan yung
years
Tomorrowland
ago.
ulit?
Belgium.
Okay.
And
Wow.
we're planning on going to Tomorrowland this year in Thailand. But it's so hard to get tickets. If we don't make it to Tomorrowland, Thailand this year, we'll do EDC Thailand na lang.
Tomorrowland pala yung sa Thailand.
Yes. So this year, yung magiging first nila in Thailand. Kasi usually it's either in Belgium, Europe, or in the Alps for the winter.
But there's also one more music festival in Thailand. I've seen my friends do
There's
that.
EDC, there's
Mm.
Wonder Fruit,
Yun, the Wonder Fruit, yeah.
Wala akong
there's...
alam dyan.
It's
Oo nga
explain
eh.
mo kay...
Hindi, pero
Oo.
gets ko naman. Pero yun nga, mahilig kayo
It's
sa
like, it's para siyang concert. Pero concert kasi you only watch
one
one
Correct.
artist.
This
Correct.
is like a pool of different artists. And like
Parang
EDM,
Coachella.
Coachella.
house, there's so
Tama.
many, yes, parang ganon.
Oo.
Pero Coachella is more mainstream music.
Correct.
So festivals or raves are more on like the techno, house, dance type of DJs all put together.
So, doon ba kayo nagkakilala ni David?
No, actually, because I've always been a
Medyo
raver.
lumalabas tayo na nagkakilala kayo.
Ay!
Actually, because he's always been an athlete, so he's always been so like locked in. He helped me get back into the gym, and then we created.
Sabay kayo.
We wish we could have gone sabay. It's just that one had to stay home with the kids,
Correct.
so
Kasi
we had to fix our schedules. So he said, you know what, just stop breastfeeding and just focus on yourself so you can go to the gym. Kasi I was breastfeeding, pero nahihirapan ako kasi I would have to pump the moment I get to the gym. So
correct.
you already waste 15 minutes. And then I do my gym and then you sauna. After sauna, your breasts are more like producing more milk. So kailangan mo mag-pump ulit. So
30
imagine mo
minutes.
30 minutes na yung nawa-waste ko.
Mhm.
And then the commute is an hour away because we got a gym that had sauna and so that you can get the full experience of the gym.
That's quite far. From,
Yes, it was in the city and we were living in the suburbs.
An
so,
hour kasi sa ibang bansa talagang
Hour.
1
Malayo.
hour. Malayo.
So, kasi 15-minute walk siya and then the train and then another 15-minute walk to the gym. And then imagine mo adding the 30 minutes of pump.
Yeah.
Correct.
You just want to get home. So he said, you know what, just stop breastfeeding. We'll
Bait
just buy
naman.
milk. And then, ayun. So he really guided me through it. And then I had a hard time with diet because I like snacking and like eating all this. He's like, if you really want to get into it, you really have to lock in even on food. Sabi ko, baby steps. Let me just get through the
Work
gym
out
first.
first.
And then Because if you do it all sabay, maloloka ka eh. Parang
Correct.
lahat ng mga gusto mo nawawala. Until they're like, oh my
Yes,
gosh,
that's
I wanna
true.
eat, I wanna do this, I can't
Yeah.
do this. So, unti-unti ko siyang nagawa. Sabi ko, in my own time, when I really need your help, I will come to you. But
Mm-mm.
just give me these moments to just get through the steps. And then I remember 2 years ago, October, sabi ko, okay, I'm done. Like, I'm not getting to where I want to get.
Mm-mm.
And then the advice he gave me was, you know what? Just stay consistent.
Mm.
Do not stop. Just stay consistent. So since then, we haven't missed more than 2 days of gym. Like even if we
Wow.
travel, like I will not miss more than 2 days.
Mm-mm.
We want to have another child. So I'm waiting. We'll see on the 3rd. So for now, I'm doing more like treatments, yung mga
Yeah, alam ko yung
Sculptra, yung mga
tightening,
PRP,
ganyan. I know.
Profilo body, mga ganun.
M-Scop, nagagano yung pang papa.
Yes, mga ganon.
Mm.
Mga lazy.
Pero
mga
nga, may
machine,
pressure
machine.
ba to like bounce back agad?
Hindi ko na feel yung pressure kasi hindi pa ako nagtatrabaho noon. I was a stay-at-home mom, I was a stay-at-home wife. So the pressure was not felt as much. And by the time I joined showbiz back again, I signed with Sparkle last December.
Yes.
I was already back in my body. And I told myself, I'm not gonna go back to showbiz if kung di pa ako ready. Kasi
Mm-mm.
what's the point?
Correct.
Mahihirapan lang ako at lalo akong ma-insecure. So I want to be 100% before I go back. And that's what I told David. Like, I want to go back, but of course, I want to be 100%. Kasi ako lang yung mahihiya eh if I go back na half.
You want to be
Ilaw.
100% you
Correct,
na
yes. Oo.
secure ka na. You're happy with where you are.
Hindi yung bibigyan ka ng role pero sasabihan ka na, ay, pero kailangan mo na magmula ng gan. Ay, ayoko marinig yon. Because I've heard that so many times throughout my career and I'm like, nah, I don't want to hear that.
What? What exactly?
I've always had a problem with waiting. So in my contract, I remember my first contract, like, may weight specifications.
Tinitimbang ba kayo? Tinitimbang kayo?
Hindi naman, pero it's up to me pa rin to like, kasi at the end of the day, we are paid well as actors.
Correct.
And that. So we have
So
to
bawal
also
tumaba
deliver.
at the time? Under contract?
At the end, you don't also want to be mataba. Right? Like, you don't want to be on screen and be like,
Yes.
ay,
And
ako
the
pala.
camera adds 10 pounds.
Yes.
Daw.
Oo, mahirap. Mahirap.
So it's also a commitment.
But now, since more...
Now
you know,
I'm happy. I'm aligned.
I love it. Alam mo, being in your 30s hits different. Mas conscious ka na talaga sa katawan mo.
Nako, true yan. Hindi na lang about looking good. It's about feeling healthy na rin.
That's why we've been loving the Trentitas bundle from Goodies Nutrition.
And super dali niyang i-take kasi gummies lang to. But packed with the nutrients your body actually needs.
And honestly, I can see it. Mas hydrated yung skin and mas glowing ka overall. Even my makeup artist recommends this.
Even
Yeah.
I recommend it.
Yes!
Para ka lang nag-candy pero may glow up ka. Super win, di ba?
So if you're in your Trentita era and ready ka na alagaan yung sarili mo for real,
Get your Trentitas bundle from Goodies Nutrition. But having kids, do you feel like it's freeing or drop? And going
Freeing.
back to,
It
showbiz.
creates a whole different spark in your life.
Mm-mm.
It's joy. Like when you
Yeah.
come home,
ang sarap
you
pag
have...
uwi mo,
Oo.
ang daming love, ang daming like
Oo.
hugs.
Sa aso ko lang
Daming
nakukuha.
hugs, kisses.
Like,
Even before you leave, yung parang
Oo.
ang dami mong
don't leave
cuddles.
me. Yes.
And then with our daughter, may secret handshakes na kami and everything. And it's so cute. I love that. And I love my kids. They're such amazing kids. Like, di ba we were in Siargao together. I love how independent they are, how respectful they
Yeah.
are. They have big
They know how to
hearts.
travel then.
Yes.
Oo.
And yun nga.
Pero yun nga,
I'm
masarap
happy.
talaga. Like, iba talaga. Kunyari, alis ako for a tournament. Doon parang matutulog ako mag-isa sa kama. But when I come home, all the love. Kaya, yun.
May mga belief ka ba when you were in your 20s that now, syempre nasa 30s na tayo, you realize that those beliefs were wrong.
What
Family, like just being 30s.
Or like with your wellness and
you know.
health. Kasi, di ba sabi mo sa contract mo, kailangan may certain weight. Now, do you think you'll still chase that body or like na-achieve mo na yung gusto mong body?
I think I've achieved a better body now than when I was in my 20s.
You really look
And
great.
I feel stronger
Yeah.
now than kasi also back then mali pala yung workouts na natutunan ko eh. Before I was focused on cardio.
Mas mahirap,
Walang
mas kakayat.
kain. Ako, actually ngayon, mas malakas ako kumain kaysa noon. Pero mas malakas ako magbuhat ngayon kaysa noon. Dati kasi puro cardio, di ba nauso yung HIIT, yung mga
Yes.
gano'n.
Correct.
Yung mamamatay
Kamatayan
ka.
sa gym. Now, it's just buhat and then konting incline and okay na. Oo.
Such an inspiration to all the moms out there na,
Yes.
you know, it's not the end of the world for us. Kasi before, kasi parang sasabi nila, pag mom ka na, okay na yan. Diba? Hindi na bumabalik yung katawan. Parang ang daming misconception kasi, ang daming mga
Huwag ka
beliefs
matakot.
na. I am not scared at
Pero
all.
I realized after being a mom, my body nga is stronger.
Stronger, they say.
Parang mas maraming kayang gawin ng katawan mo at
Oo.
mas lalo kang mabibilieve sa kaya ng katawan.
Sa totoo lang, kasi kunyari mahirap yung training, sabi ko, okay lang yan, nanganak na ako. Pero diba, gano'n. Like, kahit kunyari sa weights tayo, kaya mag-squat ako, kaya ko to kasi nanganak na ako.
And sobrang judging ng mga tao. Kasi I remembered, I was watching tennis, yung kay Serena Williams. After giving birth, and they were like judging her na it's gonna be hard for her to come back, ganyan. And our body is built different.
Yes.
Women's body, no? Talagang, it's designed like,
Yeah, to
it can
give life.
get through a lot of stuff.
Yes.
Produce life.
Oo. And I've seen Gwen kasi when they came back from Australia, nagka-carry sports na siya. We would say hi. Talaga nakita ko yung, alam mo yun, yung step by step. And
yung
then
pumayat na
suddenly
siya.
she's like, damn girl.
Yes.
You.
Ba't hindi ka namin nakikita doon?
Wala,
Diba, hindi na kita
Ang
nakikita.
mahal na kasi
Wala
kayo
ka
na lang doon. Ang mahal every year kasi. Nagtataas yung membership. Pero, you know, I'm trying a lot more. Mas
Galing ka ng boxing,
diverse.
sabi mo.
Oo, ngayon, galing akong boxing. Tomorrow, tennis. Kung ano yung pinagagawa ko, ang dami ko pinaglalaban sa buhay.
Do you have any sport? Or
Pilates.
Pilates?
Yeah, we just opened a
they
Pilates
just opened.
studio.
Correct. Congratulations.
Thank you. It's called Azure Form sa BGC C2 building sa May High Street. And inside is my husband's Remedial Massage Clinic.
Do you teach Pilates?
Yeah.
I actually want to do a teacher's course, so I might.
Classical or like the
Reformer and
reformer?
math also. And then maybe yoga. Let's see. Because I feel like I could be a good...
Yeah, kung ikaw teacher, attend ako.
But
Feeling ko
you're
I could
into
be-
Pilates.
Yes.
So, what does it do with syempre you've been lifting more, heavier, and
Core.
all that. How do
I
you
feel
incorporate
like-
this?
Kasi weights, when I do weights, I target my bigger muscles.
Correct.
So when I do arms, so my split is glutes, back, glutes, shoulders, glutes.
Ang dami. Nalito na.
Basta importante yung glutes.
Yeah, glutes. Sweat.
Kasi ang bilis mawala ng puwet ko, so I really need to like focus on that. And then Pilates is good for like core and back, and then all the little finer muscles that you tend to
Yes.
forget when you do. Kasi grabe naman if you're gonna lift weights and target all these muscles,
Wala.
edi buong araw ka na sa gym.
Correct.
And when I do shoulders, gusto ko lang yung mabigat talaga and I'll keep it to like four workouts kasi I go heavy.
Yeah.
Because to give the illusion of smaller arms, you
Toned.
focus. Yes.
Toned.
So you focus on the shoulder para ito yung lumaki. And then when I do biceps and triceps, I do super light weights and super high reps. So super minimal. I don't want to grow this. Mukha nga siyang fine. And Pilates kind of helps like realign all your finer little muscles that you forget when you do.
Yeah. Yung core talaga yun. Si Pilates.
Yes,
I also
core
do
and back.
Pilates. Yeah.
Nakakaganda siya sa
Yeah, it
back
really-
talaga.
Pero kung ikaw papapiliin, abs or puwet?
Puwet.
Puwet, diba? Puwet talaga.
Why not both?
Ang hirap. Sobrang hirap.
Let's get them both.
Kasi
Hirap.
if you want puwet,
Kailangan mo kumain. If you want
The nice glutes.
Kailangan mo talaga kumain. Tsaka kailangan mo ng high protein.
Yeah.
If you kind of forget about that, wala.
How
Ito.
important are supplements in all these activities and
Very
eating?
important,
You also
especially
have-
protein,
Yes.
which is why David and I launched a protein.
Mm.
So we actually launched a brand called Gwenzi Wellness.
Oh.
So right now we have plant-based proteins. And next we're planning on doing EAAs with hydration. Our plant-based is only 9 ingredients and sweetened with monk fruit.
I should try
artificial.
that.
Ako yung
Yes.
market nito,
Nakalimutan ko nga
Pilates.
Oo
pag
nga.
magdala.
Massage.
I was gonna bring and then I completely
Oo.
forgot. I'll send you guys some.
Sige,
It's
sige,
so
sige.
good.
Kayo ni David, yung partnership nyo, ang galing kasi you created businesses na, you know, you're passionate about wellness and meron kayong protein, meron kayong massage and Pilates. What, you know, yung motivation nyo na parang, let's partner, let's do this. What started it all?
We actually used to sell VPA before, which is an Australian supplement brand, which we stopped. But
I've tried
now
that. It's pretty good.
It
Masarap
is really
siya.
good.
Mm.
Yeah,
Ano yun?
it's a different. They have. Well,
It's a
there
brand
was-
from
yeah.
Australia.
The reason why we created Gwenzi is because David and I and the rest of our family, we consume so many supplements because as much as you want to eat all your nutritional
Nutrients, yeah.
needs, you cannot. Like,
Right.
You
you're
need
gonna be
balance.
eating the whole
You need
garden. You're gonna be eating the
Kailangan natin din to.
Correct.
Kakainin mo yung
Kulang.
buong grocery
Correct.
just so you can hit like certain milligrams
Of
of
protein
whatever
or
you need.
vitamin C, vitamin D.
So, and we consume a lot of protein. We were consuming whey, pero whey kasi at the end of the day, high inflammation yan because it's still whey, it's still meat there. It's still dairy derived.
Mm.
And since we
Tsaka
eat chicken, we
breakouts,
eat.
nagbe-break. May nakikita
Yes,
ko
and then
mga-
nakaka-bloat siya.
Mm.
So since we consume already a lot of meat products and dairy products because we like to have our oats and cereal, we just said, let's just make our own
Wow.
plant protein. So that's how Gwenzi came about.
Do you think dahil you lived in Australia, di ba sobrang healthy na doon? Like na-influence ba kayo doon?
Definitely. Definitely. Because everyone in Sydney just looks good.
Really?
Yeah. Like you're walking down Bondi, everyone looks freaking hot. And you're like,
Really?
naka-baggy t-shirt.
I think it's just the time and age talaga. We're more, aware.
Tsaka
You want to
mas-
look good. We're
yeah.
taking care of ourselves. So you've been doing a lot of things now, and it's more on, taking good care of yourself, loving yourself, and just giving more time on growth, health,
yeah.
and wellness. Is there still some things that you are scared to not happen in your life right now?
Honestly, wala, because I'm a pretty go-getter. Like, if I want to try something, if I want to do something, I'm going to make it happen.
Mm.
No regrets.
It's just
YOLO.
easier as well when you have a partner who's very supportive of the things that
Yes. And
You
we're
wanted
very
to achieve.
open on the things na gusto namin ma-achieve, gusto namin magawa. And then if, for example, I'm lacking on the abilities to achieve that, he will compensate and help me. And then if I see he's lacking on the skill sets to achieve what he wants to achieve, that's when I will come in. We're very like hand in hand. We will help and lift each other. And I think that's what makes our relationship work the way it does.
But I'm sure it took a lot to get to that point, given na ang bilis ng pangyayari with you guys. What's the secret on really making a relationship work kahit na ang short lang ng period of time to like,
Know each other.
I think because David and I are very, you know David.
yes.
We're very like open people.
Mhm.
So like
Communicate kayo.
whatever we feel, whatever's in our mind, like we communicate. And I think just feed off that.
Mm-mm.
And that definitely helped us get to where we are now. And I've learned a lot from him because he's way better at communicating than me. Ako talaga,
Is he
I'm
older
always-
ba?
He's a few months younger. So we're now the same age. We're now 35. He just turned 35 nung April.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday. Yun. So I definitely learned communication from him kasi siya talaga pag may iniisip siya, ilalabas niya. Ako, I'm the type to like overthink it. Dadamdamin ko talaga. And then he just knows how to like bring it out of me. So,
pero huwag ka mag-alala, kami rin ni Lino, 3 months lang kami, tapos kami na. So ngayon we're 12 years. So I guess yung secret is whirlwind.
Ipaglaban nyo. Choose each other every day.
Agree ako sa communication kasi doon ko rin natutunan kay Lino na, I can tell him whatever I want or what's in my mind kahit foul. Siyempre sa kanya lang sasabihin. And then, he'll listen to me. Alam mo yun? Parang ganun ba kayo na you feel like you can tell him anything na there won't be judgment?
Yes, correct. Because if you can't tell him, edi who else are you gonna say?
Correct.
Who else are you gonna tell it to?
Being in my 30s, I've learned to really care for my body. And that's why I love how Goodies Nutrition created the Trentitas Bundle.
The Trentitas Bundle reminds me that embracing my body is prioritizing my health. Kaya, kung relate ka sa kwentuhan natin sa podcast, huwag na pahuli.
Be a healthy, beautiful, and fresh Trentita with us.
Get your Trentitas Bundle now from Goodies Nutrition.
Yeah.
But I mean, Gwen, we are in our 30s and you look better than ever after 2 babies and all that. Is there still a part of your life that screams, I'm in my 30s without saying it? Meron ba?
I don't know, but I'm excited for my 40s.
Ooh.
I feel like I'm gonna be hotter when I'm 40.
Feeling ko.
I love that.
Same. Excited na rin ako kasi parang ngayon, unti-unti ko na na-achieve yung gusto kong body, yung parang time for myself, have time for the gym, balance my family. So, feeling magpa-40, hindi, kabatchmate ko to eh.
Tapos imagine mo yung confidence, the comparison of the confidence we have now than when we were in our 20s, how much better it's gonna get when we're older. Like, we're gonna be so like intact that no one can like F with us. Like, I am me, take it or leave it, get out of my way, ganon. I'm excited for that.
But do you think you're living the life that your younger self have always imagined?
Yes, definitely. Because I've always wanted to be a mom, a wife. But back when I was younger, I had boyfriends, but I never really saw them as like the father of my children. Does that make sense? Like, you're in a relationship, you love the person, pero di mo sila napipicture as the parent of your children. Does that make sense? Parang it makes you think na parang, bakit kami?
Talaga? But weren't you were married before? Tama ba? Or mali ba ako? I forgot. I forgot sa chismis na mga... Hindi, wala akong alam. Tama ba to? Or ibang tao na isip ko?
It doesn't.
Hindi ba? Totoo ba?
No.
You were not married before this?
No.
Okay. So, iba to.
Ibang girl
tao.
yun.
Akala ko married ako. So, may partner ka lang noon.
Yes, may partner lang.
Long time.
Okay.
Pero,
you did not see him. Yung in love ka, pero hindi mo nakikita na he can be a father of your... Pwede pala yun. Ako kasi pag nagde-date ako, parang ini-imagine ko na kagad na siya yung magiging partner ko forever, magiging dad ng kids ko. Parang I'm always hopeful for the future. Pero pwede palang ma-in-love ka at the same time. Dilulo talaga ako.
There are moments where you encounter people. Okay, you end up together. And you're kind of like, hey, you're discovering each other. And then there reaches a point na, okay, you're together. And you feel stuck.
Walang growth.
Yeah, parang when you start dating, yes, you imagine all of this stuff. But and then when you reach like a certain level of that relationship, you're just parang, and then how do I get out? Like, you end up stuck. It sounds sad. Like, I don't want to diss the past people that I've been with. Like, they were a learning lesson or that they contributed to the person that I am now. Not gonna parang this, that.
Mm-mm.
Pero yun nga parang paminsan you're so caught up into building the relationship that you tend to forget so many other things along the way. And then you reach a moment where you're like,
Okay.
I can't.
And I think ang hirap din magka-partner na hindi kayo pareho ng morals.
Yes,
Diba?
that too.
Mm.
And then you learn how to sacrifice your values to theirs. Parang you learn how to like merge
Compromise.
the way you
Right.
think. Pero at the end of the day, there's just only so much you can like morph yourself
Yeah.
into to the
Mm-mm.
point where you forget who you are. And that I do not wish upon anyone because that's not a nice relationship.
Ang hirap pa naman sa mga babae, parang
Kasi
ano talaga tayo?
Oo,
Masters
mag-giving
of
tayo.
morphing.
Oo.
Huwag mo morph talaga
We
tayo.
know how to
Next thing you know, hindi na
sacrifice.
tayo makabangon. We're like,
Hindi mo na kilala sarili mo.
baluktot na tayo.
Oo. You'd really lose yourself in relationships.
correct.
Especially the ones that are
And
not
then
for
next thing you know, 5 years has passed. We're like,
Yeah.
So would you say
Oo.
20s glow up, 20s ka, nag-glow up ka pa 30s?
I glowed up in my 30s, I think because I'm in a better relationship. I'm-
Number one, better relationship.
Correct.
Okay.
Yun, like,
Oo
that
na.
definitely helped me grow into a better person.
Oo.
Because I feel like in my 20s, I was a bit scattered
Try tayo lahat.
Oo,
Ganun.
parang, am I putting my energy into this? Like, relationship? Am I putting energy into
Career.
Or
Mm-mm.
parang
Yeah.
medyo na-dismantle ako And it took a while for me to like get back.
Gather your,
Yeah. And I feel like being with David helped me kind of.
ground you and,
So
okay.
I got closer to my family. I created my own family. And yeah, it's important when you have the same values. And I think David kasi and I, we grew up with the same type of family background. So it was easier for us to adjust to each other.
Mm-mm. Have you ever outgrew a version of yourself that people still expect you to be?
Don't know.
Because you were, at some point, before pandemic, talagang usap-usapan
yeah.
ka.
But I bet like now, nafe-feel ko mas gusto niya si 30s Gwen.
Yes,
Right?
definitely.
Kasi I can feel na parang same din kami ng journey, like having kids and family and just focusing on that and career and having the right relationship. Diba?
Oo. Kasi coming back to, signing up with GMA again. And then, of course, people are expecting you to be, syempre siguro kung anong naaalala nila. From,
Pero from the feedback so far, because I've been posting on Instagram, on TikTok, parang the comments that I've been getting now
Mm-mm.
are actually quite uplifting. They're saying that how I'm prettier now. I'm
Glow
hotter
up.
now.
Diba? Glow up.
So I guess I just have to keep going and let's see where the rest goes.
Because I think when you're really, truly happy inside, it shines
Shows.
through. No? Yung glow na hindi sa derma lang galing. Yung
Ay,
glow
pero
na
helpful
hindi
din ang
lang.
derma.
Yeah.
Of course
Yes.
naman. Of course, ang laking tulong niyan. Pero I mean,
So-
it's a different kind of, it's the aura, it's the vibe, it's the, as soon as you step inside the room, it's different kind of energy that you brings in the room when you are truly happy.
Yeah.
And I'm happy for you.
Yes.
Looking forward for more babies.
Oo nga
Kasi
eh.
ang-
That's so
Grabe,
fun.
ang ganda ng combo ng jeans nila.
Ang ganda.
Kaya
Nakita ko
tinatanong
yung
mo
mga
nga
anak
kanina,
niya.
so half ano na yung anak
Oo
mo?
nga. Pero nakita ko yung mga anak nila sa gym. Ko, sino tong mga beautiful children?
Oh, beautiful.
Oh,
Yeah.
they're very
beautiful
Pero like,
vibrant.
siguro relate din ako sa'yo kasi for us, parang we have it all together, like pulled together. Parang our lives like, Pinterest board. Whereas there's like a pressure to like maintain it or like, is it, hard? Hindi naman pressure. Sa akin walang pressure. Kasi parang right now, who do we have to perform for, diba? In our 30s, sinasabi mo nga na now you're more confident.
Yeah, because now we're more focused on our joy, on making ourselves happy. It's no longer about the outside. It's more on like we're locked in on our family, our husband, our kids, and then that's it. That's
Yeah. Okay,
that's
as in,
the joy.
I swear, parang sarap ng feeling na, kahit sabihin mo you're in a bubble, pero diba, you have to protect that bubble kasi that's where your joy comes from. Where you give joy and receive joy.
What are your big dreams for your kids?
Yeah. Basketball din ba? And artista, Troy Bolton. Ayun si Troy Bolton. Sa High School Musical. Ay, diba?
Hindi ko alam, sorry.
Hindi si Troy, yung basketball player, tsaka artista.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. He plays basketball now. Where I want him to play basketball because
Is he tall for his age?
yes,
Okay,
he's
start
tall
na
for
yun.
his age.
Okay.
So, what do I want for my kids? I just want them to be happy and good. I want them to be nice, respectful. And so far they are. So yun. And then the rest we shall
How
see.
about the girl po volleyball?
Ayun yun yung iniisip namin. Or
pwede.
beauty queen.
Both, pwede
She's gonna be
both.
very tall.
Kasi she's tall,
The
ha,
dad's
for
6'5".
age, oo.
6'5", diba? Tama.
Oo, 6'5".
Oo, pag dumadating sa gym yun, parang,
She's gonna be like 5'9", 5'10".
Hindi, sana 6 na lang. No, she's tall din eh. Gwen is pretty tall.
5'4". Tall ba yun?
Yeah.
Oo,
it's
yeah.
pretty-
We're,
it's,
for
standard.
Filipinas, we're
Oo.
tall na. For our,
The baby girl's gonna be Miss
pero
Philippines.
volleyball. Pero si Michelle Gumabaw, di ba?
Correct.
Volleyball beauty
Oo.
queen. So, pwede. Gusto ko rin yung anak ko beauty queen eh. Or gusto niya mag-model. yung
Papayagan
bunso
ba
ko.
ng dad?
Gusto niya mag-artista. Oo. Yun,
Bahay.
gusto niya papayag ka sa kids mo mag-artista.
Papayag, pero kailangan nila muna
Graduate.
mag-Tagalog.
Yes.
Oh.
Nahihirapan nakakaintindi sila pero hindi sila nakakasalita.
Mm-mm.
Like I taught our yaya to just talk to them in
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Mm-mm.
So they definitely have the Tagalog.
They can
they
understand.
understand.
Yes,
Mm.
pero hindi nila mailabas.
Yeah.
Do they go to school now? Nag-aaral
Yes.
na ba?
So my youngest hindi pa, next year pa.
2 years old.
And my eldest goes to the French school.
French school, so wala siyang nakakausap.
Na Tagalog.
Na Tagalog,
kasi.
wala.
Oo.
Pero yun din sinabi ni Lino sa bunso ko. Kasi sabi niya, Papa, I wanna be in your movies. Oh, di ba confident? Sabi niya, kung gusto mo mag-artista, kailangan mo matutong mag-Tagalog.
Yes,
Diba?
very important.
Yeah.
Oo.
Pero ngayon nakita ko yung card, 76 sa Pilipino. Nakakahiya! Oh my gosh!
At least pumasa.
Oh, pasangawa. Para na yan. So this summer, Filipino summer class ka, Lily.
Hindi ba kayo nagtatagalog sa bahay?
Ako. Kasi si Lino mas English. So ako na yung nagtatagalog sa kanila.
Nako, ako ilonggohin ko siguro.
Inulonggo ko rin
Ilonggo,
sila.
Tagalog.
Ano kayo,
Why you
kababayan?
Ilongga.
Ilongga
Oo.
kami.
Ilongga,
Yeah.
Bisaya. Ang dami niyang kailangang pag-aralan.
Half Filipino,
Wow.
half Ilongga. Ang dami lang half eh.
Correct.
Oo.
But Gwen kasi is half something else. And then si David,
Yeah,
iba pa. So may
grabe.
ano sila, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4,
Oo.
one half Filipino.
Yan yung magandang mix eh. Diba?
Oo.
Mm-mm.
But who is Gwen when no one's watching?
Ganda ng question na yun. Gusto ko yun.
Rar.
Ah.
I don't know.
Oh,
Who
tayo
am
mo na
I
sabi ko.
when no one's
Yeah.
watching? I'm pretty chill. Quiet. But I have a wild side too, so I don't know.
Rumi rave.
Love
Rumi rave to eh.
It
Love
depends.
it.
Depends on my mood.
Hmm.
Oh, who is MJ when no one is watching? Ay, balik sa'yo.
Ako kasi super introvert.
Oh,
Na I really enjoy my company. As you can see naman, I'm always alone in the gym, diba? No music pa yan, ha?
Ah, talaga?
Talaga
No,
nag-workout lang ako
no,
mag-isa, lalabas. Oo.
Okay.
I value this time because I know, I'm really hopeful pa rin na in the future, I'm gonna have children, family. And then, my full attention will be for them. Diba?
Yes.
As of now,
Ready
I
ka
travel
na.
alone. I really maximize
You're
the single.
independent, strong.
Oo, hanggat
woman.
kaya ko pa. And then in the future, of course, you know, may plans na rin akong magpa-freeze ng egg. So whatever happens, yung mga, yeah. But
Are
for
you
now,
dating
I-
now?
Not
Eh?
yet. Wala. Wala pa.
Not yet daw.
Not yet. But sana
Okay.
tomorrow. Ang bilis.
Hanapin na natin.
Ang bilis ng
Ano ba
manifestation.
type mo?
Oh.
Oo nga ba?
I'm a good man.
Dati kasi puro
Manifesting
afam. Puro ballers.
Ay, may nakita ako sa restaurant. Nagkita tayo.
Oo,
Dr.
baller,
White.
diba? Matagal na yun. Ano
Huwag
ka
na
ba?
yun.
Ang dami na lumipas.
Hindi ka pinagbuksan ng pinto. Huwag na yun.
Kasi naman, pag afam, hindi nila ano yan. Hindi sila ganyan.
Yeah.
Oo.
That's the
Iba.
thing with Westerners. Parang wala silang logic
Kailangan
sa
i-train.
ganon. Oo.
Oo. Ano
And then
logic?
even like
Being a gentleman?
yung KKB, mga ganun-ganon.
KKB sila,
Oo,
di ba?
oo.
KKB sila.
Parang,
Correct. Iba kasi yung culture.
Hey, you. Yes, you. Trying to survive your 30s without losing your mind? This is Trentitas, your modern hangout for real talk, laughs, and figuring out life one episode at a time. From career chaos and friendship drama to love, growth, and the occasional existential crisis, we've got you covered. Plug in, hang out, and let's figure out life together. Because nobody really knows what they're doing. And that's okay. Follow and subscribe to Trentitas on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Podcasts. Catch highlights on all social media platforms.
Afam naman din si Lino, half.
Pero
kasi
dito,
pero dito siya. Pero dito siya.
Pusong Pinoy
he
naman
still has
kasi.
the Pinoy,
Yeah.
Upbringing.
Oo,
Mm.
gentleman.
Swerte ko pala.
Oo, no.
Oo.
Ang tagal nyo na. Ngayon
Oo
mo
nga.
pa.
Ngayon ko lang na-realize.
After how many babies?
Oo nga pala. Actually, recently ko lang siya nasinabihan, pogi ka pala.
Oh my goodness.
Kasi ako, I go for the personality. Ito, ikaw, si David, like, diba, when you met him, diba,
crush niya
mo.
nga
Crush, may attraction.
ko. And then, kasi before I was like that, then I go for personality. And then I was single, so I was like, I want to go for someone hot this time. Let's go. And then ending, even the inside of his was hot. So I was like, okay, so why not? Like, I get a win-win situation compared to my past.
I have a kind of deep question. What's a failure ever in your life that you're actually grateful for?
Hindi daw siya nagfe-fail.
Hindi, a failure that you're grateful for. Na
Dahil doon.
ano to?
Ako meron akong answer. Ako
Go.
sumagot.
Go.
I think the biggest failure, hindi. Pero when I lost my final playing year sa UAP volleyball, talo ko.
Mhm.
So parang sakit-sakit noon. Kasi wala na, last year ko na, 5th year, no more chance to play. So parang that time, I felt like na parang end of the world. Wala na, I'm a failure. I failed my UAP career. But now, looking back, na 30s na ako and, did some work, introspection na parang, dahil natalo ako doon, greatest loss ko yon sa career ko. Now, if may na-fail ako, marunong akong matalo and marunong akong mag-bounce back. Ganon. Yeah. So parang, kung may losses man ako sa buhay, I know na hindi yung end of the world ko.
Correct.
Yeah.
I guess there were some investments David and I did that went really bad.
Relate.
And it was tough not to bounce back. But now that those investments actually didn't happen, it made us stronger. It gave us more drive to do better, and I do wish it would have went better, but I guess the journey made us stronger.
Yeah.
It's an expensive
learning
learning
for a
curve.
reason. I guess
Expensive
learning curve.
Yeah.
expensive learning
So
curve.
you lost
pero
losses talaga.
it opened more doors. Kasi if that was successful, magiging kampante lang kami with that.
One business.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pero now that hindi nangyari yun, it opened so many other doors. Maybe I'm grateful for that.
Any tips for, kasi ikaw talagang, at that point in your life, meeting him, ikaw talaga yung first move, first message,
crush ko
ganyan.
yan. You really need a hug. Ay, gusto ko yung pick up line na yun.
Yung mga, alam mo yun, tips sa mga nanonood sa atin na who wants something to happen but just can't. Walang courage, walang confidence to make the first move.
Just go for it, because if you don't, you're never gonna know.
Correct.
Look, I went for it and look where that brought me. If you don't, you'll be stuck and you'll never know. And then it might become a failure.
a learning curve.
Just go for it. And then if you get rejected, so be it. Then move on. Oo.
Ako, last question. Soft life or hustle life? Where are you now?
Right now, it's the hustle.
Hustle.
Love it.
Hustle.
a hustling mama.
Ang dami kasi, like, as a mom, as an entrepreneur, massage, Pilates. You want to learn Pilates pa?
Yes,
Diba?
but that's gonna take me 2 years. So
It's okay. We have
that might happen in my 40s.
To be a certified
Yes,
coach.
Pilates instructor.
Okay.
I could do the fast courses, but I want to do it properly because I want to do clinical Pilates too, so I can do post surgery.
Correct.
Yeah.
So it works in line with what David does.
So hustle life. Yeah.
And I'm so proud of you and, showing everybody that we can do it even
I
after
know.
1, 2, 3 babies. Everything is possible. And this is the time and era talaga na mamas bounce back.
I know, lahat ng mga moms ngayon hot na.
Oo.
No? Yung
And-
feeling.
And totoo naman. Oo, totoo naman. And
Yes.
talagang the dreams and opportunities doesn't stop in our 20s.
Yes.
Even in your
Correct.
30s, there will always be doors for us. Diba? We can always make new dreams.
Yes.
We can make new opportunities for ourselves. Even with a growing family, everything is possible.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Gwen,
you.
for being with us today.
Yeah.
Talagang,
Thank you.
oo,
I
so
hope you
great.
enjoy
This
it.
is fun.
And good
Yeah.
luck on the journey,
Yeah,
the
pahingin
fitness and wellness journey.
Try natin yung niya, protein shake.
Yes,
Correct.
I'll send you
Oo.
some.
Oh,
Send
tapos
you
sa
some.
massage daw si David nagmamas.
Ayun, try nyo rin.
the physio.
Baka
Facial massage.
So no, we have a physio, and then David does remedial massage. It's kind of like a medical type of massage where it addresses muscular and joint issues.
Mm-mm.
There's a study actually that the fascia might be the biggest organ of our body compared to the skin.
Mm-mm.
If you see comparisons of bodies with the fascia that gets massaged and that doesn't, you'll see how like restricted the body is. So massages are actually very
Yeah.
important. Even if you don't get his type of massages, do try and get regular massages on a regular because it will really keep your body more in tuned and aligned. So
Yeah,
massages
kasama ko
are
rin
And
sa-
of course, supplements.
Yeah, supplements.
Diba?
Ano to?
The
Because
goodies.
Gwen said you can't
Vitality.
Hello,
eat,
goodies.
you can't eat everything naman.
Oo.
So you need supplements.
Aside from the massage, you work out, good nutrition, and talagang
Yeah.
supplementation. Very
As a
important.
trendita, like we
Oo.
really need it na. Like I can feel na if I don't take or makalimutan ko, you really
Iba.
feel. Even
Iba yung
protein shake,
pakiramdam.
like the recovery is different also. Even
correct.
Yeah.
So, invite our viewers kung saan ka namin i-follow, anong mga aabangan namin kay Hustling Mama Gwen.
Yes! Ay, ganda yung hustling
Diba?
Mama Gwen.
Hi guys. You can check out my life on my socials, Gwen Zamora on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And if you wanna be sexy and take care of your body and be protein rich, do check out Gwenzy Wellness. We are currently selling plant-based proteins, so do check that out. And thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.
Gwen.
And that's another conversation on Trentitas, the podcast where we figure out life in our 30s. If today's episode made you think, laugh, or question your life choices just a little, then we're doing something right. Remember, you don't need to have everything together in your 30s. Let's learn, grow, and embrace the chaos along the way. Thanks for hanging out with us. Follow and subscribe to Trentitas on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Podcasts. Catch highlights on all social media platforms.